Hey travel fans, it's Ron from RJT Travels here, and this video you're about to see is just a walkthrough examples of a couple of different room types that they offer here at the Sandals St. Vincent. So you're going to see three different room types here. You're going to see a garden view, one-bedroom suite. You're going to see an ocean view, one-bedroom suite, and then you're going to see an over-the-water bungalow suite. So all three are very, very nice. Also, the video that I already posted about the basic walkthrough of the resort did have my room in it, which is just a club-level room here with a soaking tub and the view, as you can see right behind me. This is from my balcony. So there's a fourth room example in that video as well. So take a look at them. Anything jumps out at you, let us know. RJT Travels is a certified sandals agency. We'd love to help you come down here and experience this because, you know, this resort is just gorgeous. It is absolutely breathtaking. It is so much fun. And as you can see by all the other videos that we did, there's plenty of activities, both daytime and nighttime. We're going to put a restaurant video up and kind of talk about the different food options here. So plenty of stuff to do, plenty of stuff to enjoy. So come on down and check it out and check out these different room types.